In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix text in Mailchimp in just 5 minutes. If you've ever encountered pesky formatting issues in your email campaigns, you know how frustrating it can be to get everything looking just right. But don't worry, we're going to walk through a simple process to solve this issue. First, let's start by visiting Mailchimp's website and logging into your account. Once there, you'll be ready to dive into fixing any unwanted formatting in your email campaigns. If you're facing issues where your text doesn't look the way you want, maybe the font size is off or the colors are acting up, this step-by-step guide will help you get everything back in order. The next step is to navigate to the Campaigns tab. Here you'll see an option labeled All Campaigns. Click on that and you'll be shown a list of your existing email campaigns. Find the specific campaign that needs some formatting love and click on the Edit button right next to it. This will bring you to the editor where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Once you're in the editor, the key is to tackle the text that's giving you trouble. Highlight the portion of the text where the formatting is off. By doing this, you let Mailchimp know precisely which text segments you aim to fix. This targeted approach means you won't accidentally alter any correctly styled text. Now here comes the powerful part, using the Clear Formatting tool. In the editor toolbar, you should see an option labeled Clear Styles. A simple click on this tool will strip away all unwanted styling from your highlighted text. It's like hitting the reset button for that particular piece of text, allowing you to start fresh without the complications of previous formatting errors. After you've cleared the styles and your text looks neutral, it's time to reapply your preferred formatting. You can head back to the editor tools and format the text according to your preferences. Whether it's a specific font, color or size you want to apply, now is the time to get your text looking exactly as you envisioned. This ensures that your campaign reflects your brand's identity and maintains a professional appearance. And there you have it, a straightforward process to fix any text issues in Mailchimp. Simply by clearing unwanted styles and carefully reapplying the desired ones, you can make sure your email campaigns appear polished and aligned with your expectations. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to address similar formatting concerns. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.